Hey everyone, today I am sharing with you such an amazing sauce which goes wonderfully well with every Indo-Chinese food. You just have to take 1 or 2 tablespoons of this sauce and you could add in while making noodle, when you are making fried rice or when you are marinating any chicken. Just add in 1 or 2 tablespoons of it and see the magic of this sauce. It tastes so good. You can also make and store this sauce. Before starting to make this recipe, I must tell you, don't miss out the proportion of this recipe because the proportion of this recipe bring divine taste to this sauce. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 4 tablespoon chili sauce, half teacup tomato sauce, 1 stick minced celery, use a chopper to mince it, half teaspoon black pepper powder, add red food color but it's optional. Add half teaspoon salt. Now mix all these ingredients well and keep aside. Use a big wok or kadhai. Keep the flame high throughout the cooking process. Then add in 6 tablespoon oil in a wok till it smoke. When smoke starts coming from it, add in 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1 tablespoon minced garlic and half tablespoon minced green chilies. Saute it till it gives a nice aroma. After that, pour in the sauce mixture and just stir it for few seconds. When it comes to boil, it means it's done. But you could also give some extra touch to this recipe. Take this blue torch lighter. It is very handy thing. Switch it on and I am going to flambe over it. You could also tilt a pan little bit and give a flambe. Here I am just showing you that we could give a flambe to this recipe, but be very careful while doing this because it might have a chance to caught fire. I have a camera here near a gas stove, so I am not taking any chance to show you a spectacular way, but if you are flambing, then make sure that you are in a clean, clear level open space away from drafts, curtains or anything hanging down into a space like kitchen towel, hot pads or any decoration, so be careful. And if you find my videos interesting, so give a like to my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.